Hello children, very warm welcome to the English activity class. And I know that you have learnt adjectives recently, and I hope you got a better idea about adjectives. So today our activity is based on adjectives, an interesting activity for you and a creative activity for you. Okay, so once I'll be doing and you just watch it. Afterwards you can do of your own style or choice, whatever it is, but related to adjectives. Okay, so I have taken an A4 sheet here. Just I require an A4 sheet here and some colors, right, or crayons. These colors are okay, or crayons are also okay. Okay, and you have to draw a margin like this. Always margins gives beauty to the paper. And then to write a question, I have drawn 3-4 lines. Okay, so the questions are very important. Okay children, so I am writing the question now. Hope you can see it. The question is like, first you put the heading English activity as the heading. Okay children, what is the adjective activity about adjectives, right? So I'll write here adjectives, that is describing words. Okay children, now the question is here, draw an object of your choice. So I think it is very interesting for you, and describe it with as many adjectives as you can. Okay children, so you can draw any object. Even you can draw an animal or a person also children. It is up to you. It is up to your creativity. Okay, so this activity carries marks, as I told you already, 5 marks it will be. So even though it is simple, draw it neatly, present it neatly. That is what I want. So now with the pencil only I am going to draw a simple object for my choice. Okay, and you should think that you have to describe it first. When you get describing words only, better you draw the picture. So think like what you can draw. Can I draw a house, or can I draw a flower or an animal? So how to describe it? This all you think, and then you go with the activity children. Okay, so now I would just like to draw a flower. So I have just taken and I have drawn some petals. I feel it is simple for me, so I have taken this. I have then drawn a stem, and I have drawn a big leaf for it. This is what I have taken for my activity. Okay, so the most important part in this activity is, of course, drawing, but more than that, what describing words you are using for that. Okay, so I have drawn the flower and I just want to color it roughly children. So I would like to, I'm having some pink color here, so I'll just take some pink and then I will draw the petals. Okay children, just whatever I know, that's I'm drawing it. Just give me some time. You can do along with me, but better you think first like what you're going to take, which describing words you will use for that object, for that thing, for an animal. Suppose you're taking a dog. So you have drawn a dog, and suppose it's a white dog. It has dots on it. So you have to write. It's a white dog. The dots you have to represent and show it's a black dot. Okay. Then it's a short dog, suppose. So you can draw it as a short one. Suppose you have drawn a nature. So beautiful nature, yellow sun, brown mountains, black birds, green pasture or green, flowers, whatever in that you see. Color, a big mountain you can use, not only brown, a big mountain, bright sun. Suppose you have drawn a night, picture of a night. Then you can write, shining moon, bright stars. So that way you have to use the adjectives, children. Okay, somewhere I have drawn a small flower-like thing. I may not be good like you. I know that you're all good artists. I've seen your poster activity, children. So something like yellow I have drawn. Then I have mixed yellow and red. I have just drawn a stump-like thing. Then I'll go for the leaf part. Yeah, I have some green color here. So I feel this plant has a big leaf. So I'll just draw a leafy structure and just shade it. Interesting, no? Drawing part is always interesting. You can use imaginative colors, right? Yeah. So let it dry for some time, children. You don't spoil your drawings. Okay. I think I have almost finished my drawing. Yeah. So this is what I have drawn, right? Yeah. Simple. Now, my duty is to describe this. Okay, how I'm going to describe this now? Using describing words, adjectives. So this flower is very attractive for me. So I'll use one adjective as, I'll just write a point here. It is an attractive flower. I'll be going here. Suppose you don't have place here. You have drawn little big drawing. You can write here also. Okay, children, I have place here. So I'll be writing the first point. It is an attractive. So I'm describing the quality. Attractive flower. What kind of flower? Attractive flower. So this is one adjective I got. It's my own adjectives. You can do your own adjectives. And I can see a big leaf. So it has a big leaf. So another attractive I have used is big leaf. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I would write it has 6 petals. Adjective of number. You can use, I'm not saying that you have to use all the types of adjectives. Just I'm writing. The main thing is that adjectives are there or not. Attractive flower, big leaf, 6 petals. Okay. Then this is a colorful flower. What kind of flower? A colorful flower. This is a fresh flower. So that way I have described the object I have taken. I have described the object I have taken. So it is an attractive flower. It has a big leaf. It has 6 petals. This is a colorful flower. So these are the 4 adjectives I have used. Enough, children. Even for your activity also, I just require 4 points with 4 adjectives and also the diagram. Okay. This is the activity for you. Simple and creative activity. You will also understand how to use an adjective in a sentence. That is what this activity is meant for. Hopefully you have understood this activity. So this please put the date of today also, children. I have not put, you please put the date also on the activity. Write your name and section, children. That is more important. Many of you are not writing. Your name and section are always important, because when you send the image, I'm not understanding who is sending. Again, I have to ask the parents which section, which name. Okay, class though I know, but section and name I don't know, no. So you have to send it. Anything else, please message me personally. Thank you so much and have a nice time, children.